I'm gutted we've lost the GoPro. We've lost it! Oh, we've got first place, they're going to win. Now they're going to finish the finish line. Oh, they finished the finish line, first place! Oh, first place! And we've got a second place just behind her. I'm still hoping we get the GoPro back. Literally, the taxi driver just drove off. It was there, he just drove off. GoPro's gone. Next GoPro, next footage of you lot. Subscribe to Daniel's Food on YouTube. And this is the Yorkshire Indian.
Excuse me, I just want to ask you a question, bastard. How did you lose the GoPro?
The taxi driver stole it.
He stole it?
He drove off.
He drove off, bastard.
He drove off.
He drove off. He drove off. This is exclusive Yorkshire Indian TV. Thank you. Oh, it looks like my head.
God, listen, this is so hard to remember what I haven't done on here, what I've done on the other GoPro. I'm good. But this is the Puerto del Carmen main strip on the beachfront at night time. And you know what? They say this is the quietest time of year, the first couple of weeks of December, before all the Brits come over for Christmas and New Year. But it's still packed. You know, it's warm. I've still got shorts on at this time of night. It's about 10 o'clock, I think. The bars are still open. Some of them are really busy. Most of them are karaoke bars, or they've got live acoustic on, including this Hennessy's bar. Look at that. Bobby's telling them all his details here for all his Facebook, TikTok, YouTube.
This guy, you'll be fun.
Wait, watch.
Next door to Pinocchio restaurants. Listen, most of the bars are busy. This is Router 66, Router 66. Oh, we've got first place, they're going to win. Now they're going to finish the finish line. Oh, they finished the finish line, first place. Oh, first place. And we've got a second place just behind her. So we know we're getting closer as we get to Murphy's Irish Bar up here. We know Gail's on tonight, a very good singer, Gail O'Donovan, and we're probably going to have a bite to eat. Do you know what? I feel lost now. Now I'm speaking when we're 2 days in, but these have only just came on. So if you don't know, I'm with Yorkshire Indian, I'm with Oscar.
Hello.
And we're going to make sure we eat as much as we can the next few days here in Lanzarote, Puerto del Carmen, before we go to Fuerteventura.
This is hoping that we get the GoPro back.
Well, look at these, the amount of good restaurants. Look at that, Italian,
It's still
Le
good
Italiano.
for extra GoPro though.
You've got the black buffalo next door. I've had it.
Can't get over the side.
Look at this. So look at that sirloin steak with chips, £13.75. That's about what? £11.50, something like that. Maybe €12, £12. Cheap. You got a Mexican next door as well. A nice Mexican restaurant. Look at that.
Hello, sir.
Hello, mate. All right. Yeah, good. Thank you. So this place is where me and Rochelle had our Valentine's meal, just out here. After I flew her out, when I didn't realise I was out here I was on the 13th of February. Didn't realise it was Valentine's the next day. All you lot, the followers, were like, Craig, what are you getting Rochelle for Valentine's? I was like, when's that? This was about 2 or 3 years ago. And I was like, shit, it's tomorrow, you all told me. So I rang her up, booked her a flight for that day. She flew out to Lanzarote, I got her here, and we had a Valentine's meal right there. Look at that, large local beers. €2, dirt cheap. And the prices aren't even expensive here. They're very, very cheap. Look how good it looks at night time. It's still lively, you know, it's not mega busy because it's the quietest time of the year. But I love it. I love Puerto del Carmen in winter time right now. Stars Cafe. All these places do cheap breakfasts as well. But let's look at this. Beers, €2.50. Chicken breast, $10.95. Fish and chips, $12.95. Stars Cafe, nice and cheap. You got Restaurant Grill next door, again, nice and cheap there as well. And Porto Mar Grill, again, it is cheap. Fantastico, fantastico. Nice breakfast in there. I'm gutted we've lost the GoPro. We've lost it. But it is what it is. It's life.
What is that behind me? Look here, look here, look here, look here.
So he's telling me this is the best kebab.
Yeah. We have done
Chicken kebab, beef kebab, mixed kebab, falafel kebab. Or... No, frozen.
Frozen in the bucket.
No. We have in the kitchen. Yeah.
The kebab factory just below Murphy's. So Yorkshire Indian has got chicken kebab.
Chicken kebab.
Look at that.
Kebab. That is a tasty chick kebab. More than happy that we came here. You've got garlic and chilli on the table. That meat is really tasty. I can imagine the chicken, they take off the skewer, they keep it for later when they're quiet, then they put it back on the grill with loads of seasoning. It reminds me of like a fajita seasoning. 7.5 out of 10.
Morning everyone, so we're at the Galleon 2, just on Puerto del Carmen beachfront in Lanzarote. And I've gone for a full English breakfast. Mine's came out first. This is €5. It's got 1 sausage, 1 hash brown, 1 egg, 1 bacon, 1 tomato, 2 toast, some butter, some jam and beans. Let's take a look. So that's what you get on the full English. There's only one thing left to do, is dig in. Is it a popper? Bosh. Let's get some hash brown, dipped in the egg. Let's smash that in. So Yorkshire Indian has got a toasted tea cake. Any good, mate?
It's like England. Very nice.
So for €5, it's absolutely spot on. Will I be back? 100%. That's a Galleon 2, Puerto del Carmen beachfront in Lanzarote. That'll do us. So that's the Galleon 2. Me a solid 7.5 breakfast out of 10. And yeah, want to go back 100%. Nice and cheap, just like everything at Puerto del Carmen. Thank you. And now the sun's broke through for the first time today. Ah, all the food, like they have all the fresh stuff out. They have ribs, pork chops, lamb chops, bits of steak, and you just give it to them to go in the to the wok, and they'll cook it with noodles, veg, whatever you put on your plate, and it's less than €20 wok Asia Garden. It's about 18.90, something like that.
Say Oscar for a game.
Yeah, well then. So as you walk through the main strip, the beachfront of Puerto del Carmen, you'll eventually come to Lineker's. So you got Lineker's bar just here, and what's the other one called? Something Bells, which I think is a Scottish bar just on the end. I think what I need to do this trip is go a bit higher, because Puerto del Carmen front, it's got the ground level, then it has a first floor, and I rarely go up on the first floor. So what I will do later on today is I'll start going through some of them and show you some of the bars and restaurants there. I'm going to Tamasha. There it is, Spice of Life. There's the Yorkshire Indian, and they've got some lunchtime specials which I'm going to show you. I seen it, I was like, €10, bargain. I'm all over that. It was an extra 2 to add either rice or a naan bread. I was like, no, just give me that one. €10, and a beer is only $1.50, which is an absolute steal.
Looks good. Naan looks good. India style, buttered naan.
And it's a fresh burger as well.
Let's dive in.
Good to see for $7.95 lunchtime special. It's a fresh beef patty burger with sauce. Oscar asked for no salad, but it looks good. Now the sun is in my eyes, but I'm going to show you the review and give them a rating out of 10. I'm going to dig into this onion bhaji and see what it's like. Get a little bit of mint sauce on the plate and wash. Good crunch, breaking up. But I do think the onion bhaji is a little bit overcooked as well. Now this is $9.95. It is a lunchtime special. You get the naan bread, you get the korma, you get the bhaji, you get a little bit of mint sauce as well. Very nice, mate. Very nice, thank you. Really sweet korma. You know, people say to me all the time, korma's not a curry, korma's not a curry. For me, it's the curry. I prefer lamb rather than chicken, but for $9.95, there's no complaints for me from that dish. Onion bhaji, curry, naan or rice, some sauce there, some salad as well, all for $9.95, and the beers are $1.50. What's not to like at Tamasha in Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote? So this is one of the little beach fronts on Puerto del Carmen. Absolutely beautiful views. Another plane's just coming in there. Looks like a Jet 2. Across the road is Bar 67 up there, an Irish bar. You've got Bollywood Tandoori right there. Then you've got Wayne's Steakhouse, which has been highly recommended. So we're going to book in there for tomorrow night, Wayne's Steakhouse. Now we're about 10 minutes away from our apartment, just off the beachfront. Again, this is just one part of the beach. This is like an alcove part. Then you've got the next part, then the huge beach, which goes all the way down towards Murphy's and Lineker's bar. So back home, I do like an Indian now and again. So today I've had an Indian. Tonight I'm going to have another Indian, and it's from Mumbai, Masala, just near Murphy's Irish pub, which is up there. Oscar's already sat down. Oscar doesn't really like Indian food. You're mate. Oscar doesn't really like it. Oh, thank you very much. Cheers. So tonight Tonight I'm gonna have an Indian with Oscar. I'm gonna get him to try Indian food and see what it's like, but no spice. Oh my God. Nice crispy poppadoms, beautiful mango chutney, very sweet, and some mint sauce as well. God, you can't beat that mix, can you? Mango and mint. So let's go through these dishes that have just came to the table. We've got onion bhajis over here. Yorkshire Indian, what are these, mate?
There's a ragara patties. It's like aloo tikki chole, but it's a ragara. So it's a different from potato fritters.
Amigo, see.
Hash browns.
And these?
He's done a chicken chaat.
Chicken tikka shashlik.
Chicken tikka shashlik. Shashlik.
Chicken.
That starter is absolutely incredible. It's got the slightest hints of spice to it. You've got this sizzling thing over here. Is it chicken? What was it? Chicken tikka?
Chicken tikka shashlik.
Chicken tikka shashlik. Let's dig in. Size of that piece of chicken.
Drink.
Smoking. I've got a water here if you want them. So I'm going to say, oh, lightly spiced, made in a clear. Now I know what the expert says. So once I know what he's saying, I'm just going to repeat it. Not you lot on the other one. Beautiful food, honestly. The chicken's incredible. All the chicken's soft, it's packed with flavour. Clearly know what they're doing with the spices. And for me, which I can't really do spice at all. What's that called? Chicken?
Tikka shashlik.
Chicken tikka shashlik? Shashlik.
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 Beautiful. Shashlik.
Shashlik.
Beautiful. Oh my God. I could fill up just on these starters.
You know what? It's okay. People like it. They're ordering it. Nothing wrong with it.
That's definitely got aloe in. Aloe?
No.
I'm allergic to aloe.
No potatoes.
What's aloe?
Potatoes.
Just checking, it's got no aloe in. Nice garlic bread. Oscar would love that. Garlic naan bread. And then the butter chicken. Beautiful. So, only one thing left to do, and that's to dig in. Right, so let's try this butter chicken, pilau rice, and then my garlic naan. Oh my God. Oh, that chicken. Fresh chicken, super soft. And nice pilau rice packed with flavour. It's what you want from a pilau rice. That is beautiful. Look how immaculate the place is. This is Mumbai Masala, Puerto, Carmen, Lanzarote. Mate, beautiful that, thank you. What?
Reminds me of what happened in Turkey.
Oh, when it was flooding?
Yeah.
We always get the floods, don't we?
Yeah.
Absolutely nuts to be in Ventura with this kind of weather. Look at it.